See, I am an independent MLA. My decision will be the best interest of my constituency. That I have said before, I am saying today, I am saying tomorrow. Now I am given support to the BJP government, so my support stands. So now 8 people have come and another 10 people come. What difference does it make for me? It doesn't make any difference to me. But the problem is that how will the electorate react? People have voted. I was voted independent. So I think it is onus of responsibility lies on them. But in a democracy, I think opposition is required. I'm a guy who stood for 3 terms, 2.5 terms, 2 complete terms as an opposition, as a Congress MLA. I think it's high time those people who are criticizing me in the Congress, it's a tight slap on the face. I was in the opposition for 2 terms and I fought each and every issue in the assembly when all the Congress MLAs at the back of me never supported me, nor the party supported me, nor they appreciated me for opposing, for taking up issues in the assembly. But I think what stand we had taken of leaving the Congress stands vindicated. And in fact, I only want to tell you that I am here for my people. No compromise on interests of my people. No compromise on certain issues of the state. Tight slap ni dena. Take tight slap ni. तेज उत्तर म्हणजे हांव तांकां लागून भायर सरलां आनी तेज उत्तर BJP जाले तांकां लॉज न्ही म्हाका कित्याक लॉज
पण आता तेंचे मदीं तूं आसतलो तर
पॉलिटिक्स
परत कलीग जालो
पॉलिटिक्स पडे आहा ते आमी सदां म्हणटात पॉलिटिक्स इज अ गेम ऑफ नो परमनंट फ्रेंड्स नो परमनंट एनिमीज ओनली परमनंट इंटरेस्ट but my interest, remember, is not everybody's interest. I have got my own interest and I'm defined my interest. My interest is what? My people. I will certainly, we politicians are measured from down to up. We are not measured from how, where we stand as being not corrupt. We are measured from down to up, how less corrupt we are. I think I want to beat all because. See, they have trusted the party to the wrong people. I was always telling them that they are trusting the people, they are trusting the party to the wrong people. I've even made a statement. I said they are trusting people who have a story to tell, and their stories are from rags to riches, not riches to rags. I've been very clear. I will not mince words to speak out the truth. Because truth you have to remember. Truth is that you have never to remember what you have spoken. The lies you have to remember.